I got 2 more packages from Amazon. It's kind of weird because I haven't ordered anything. Even my dog is curious about it. So let's see what I have. So this is the Belkin Boost Charge. It's a Magsafe charger. And this is the charging puck. And it also comes with a 20-watt charger with a USB-C connector. So I received another case from Catalyst. This time it's the Vibe case with also a neon green, neon yellow lanyard kit. Just like my Influence case, this also has an instant mute switch, this round thing here. So you just twist it back and forth. And these buttons, and this one too, they are interchangeable with these kit. On all 4 corners, here, 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 there, you can put lanyard. And just like the Influence case shown over here, the Vibe case also has that, their unique forward audio. So these holes here, instead of having the holes at the bottom, they have the holes at the top here. These channels will make the audio to be perceivably louder by up to 30%. And also, this case is Magsafe compatible with embedded magnet inside the case. These channels here, these are part of the bumper that absorbs shock. And now I'm going to replace these buttons with these yellow ones, or green, whichever way you see it. If you need further instruction, the unit comes with this QR code where it's going to take you directly to the video how to change the buttons and lanyard. Yeah, happy. So this is how you use the QR code. Just click the link, that yellow thing, and it goes directly to Catalyst website. Okay, so all you need to do is to press that button on the side all the way in until it pops up on the inside, and replace it with the yellow one. There you go. It's done. There you go. And now the dial. For this, you need a paper clip. So we take off the clip. There you go. Now install the new dial. And clip the clip back on. So that's how it looks from the inside. And how strong the Magsafe connector is. It's this strong. Yeah, I guess time for me to buy another Catalyst case and another Belkin Magsafe connector. So if you like my video, please click like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to click the notification button so you won't miss any video coming from me in the future. Thank you very much. Bye now.